Dr. Kate Biberdorf is a chemist, an entertainer, and an educator who makes science come to life for students and audiences across the country. She now serves as Notre Dame's inaugural professor for the public understanding of science. So Kate joins me now. Kate, first and foremost, welcome to Notre Dame Day. It's great to have you.
Thank you for having me. I love it here.
Well, we're going to enjoy this conversation here. For those of you who are hearing about this role for the first time, you have to tell me, what does it mean to be Notre Dame's professor for the public understanding of science?
It's a mouthful, I'll give you that. But essentially, I get to be an advocate for science. I get to train scientists how to talk about science. I get to try to connect our scientists with the community. And it's all just about bringing global visibility to the incredible work happening here on campus by our scientists.
Fantastic. All right, so when you think about your work here, what feels most urgent or most important for you right now when it comes to helping the public engage with science?
Well, right now, it's all about building trust in scientists. And so if we can just become a trusted source, if we can help the community recognize red flags or, weird statistics, just teach people to have like a bell go off in their head if they see something that's a little odd so that they can be an informed voter. They can do what's best for their family. And so it's all just about building up trust and honestly that bridge between the community and our scientists.
Yeah, so much fake stuff out there. You really do need to teach people to be able to identify. All right, so much of your career is about making science exciting, though, and approachable for people. So what have you found has been a key to helping people feel like science is for them?
Oh man, fire, explosions, liquid nitrogen, dry ice, anything where people can get their hands on the science. Because once you see it, if you see me set my hand on fire and I'm totally fine with it, your brain starts asking questions. And so I'm a person who believes that if you have a question, you are a scientist. So anything we can do to get people to ask those questions, invite them into our process of science, that is a massive win for me.
All right, so much of science people think is book work and lab work. How have you been able to help some of your colleagues here in the College of Science make their work more accessible to the public?
Well, I'm doing things called media training and science communication workshops. And so we're bringing faculty in, we are throwing questions at them and making them answer questions on the fly. We're teaching them basic media training tricks, but it's just all about teaching our scientists to get out of that jargon jungle, use vocabulary that is common to the everyday person. And again, invite people in. This is all about bringing the community into our space and showing the awesome research that is happening here on this campus right now, like right over there.
Do you find that you get good reception when you do that?
Oh, yes. Are you kidding? People love science. Like, everybody loves science. And so it's just about bringing that inner child out. And again, if we can use the fire and the liquid nitrogen to just bring people in, invite them into our space, and then increase the trust in the scientists and our Notre Dame community, that is a massive win. But please support us at the Global Science Engagement Fund. We are 80% of our way to our goal. We are so close. We're trying to go on tour. And so please help us. We want to do this so badly.
So you're doing all my work for me. This is great. No, it's excellent. It's clear that you're very passionate about this. I'm going to go off script a little bit here. What's something you've done recently that's been very visual and interactive that you've really enjoyed, that people have found entertaining?
Ooh, okay. Well, I just went to D.C. for the National 4-H conference, and so I got to go present this massive explosion. I actually hit the ceiling. I got food coloring all over the ceiling, but it's okay. They weren't mad. But it was all about bringing the next generation of scientists in, talking to them about the life skills that you learn when you're going through your science classes. So things like quantitative reasoning or critical thinking or safety, just wearing gloves and goggles when you do safety experiments. So it's all about just teaching these life skills and sharing our love for science with the community. And I think we did that in DC.
I was going to say, I hope you have good health insurance.
I do.
Really quick, looking ahead, what do you hope this role makes possible here at Notre Dame that may not have happened otherwise without it?
It's honestly about the connections that I'm forming. And so what's neat is, like, for example, Surya Dasgupta, he's a professor, has this incredible grant called RNA for All, but he needs to figure out how he can take RNA and bring it to the community. So he's asking me, do we have artists that can bring this alive? Do we have schools that we can take this project to? Do we have friends across the country that we can share our videos with? So it's all about forming these connections. And I'm loving that with this role, that's what I get to do. I get to talk about science all the time, teach the scientists how to talk about science, and then actually bring these communities together, and it is so fulfilling, and thank you, Notre Dame, for supporting it.
Yeah,
it's so cool.
You're doing great at it, and we're glad that you were here to talk about it with us. It's been a lot of fun.
Thanks for having me.
All right, thank you, Kate, for joining us here on Notre Dame Day.